In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retract or cancel a bid or offer on eBay. If you've ever found yourself in the situation where you accidentally placed a bid on eBay and need to withdraw it, rest assured you're not alone, and it's definitely possible to rectify it. First, let's focus on how to retract a bid. The initial step is to navigate to the eBay bid retraction page. This is a dedicated area on eBay's website where you have the opportunity to undo that bid provided you meet certain criteria. When you're on the bid retraction page, look for the item number, which is essential to process this request. You can find this item number in the listing of the item you bid on. Take a moment to locate it and enter it in the designated field on the page. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for retracting your bid. eBay understands that mistakes can happen, so choose the reason that most accurately reflects your situation. Common reasons include entering the wrong amount or discovering that the seller made significant changes to the item description. Once you've indicated the reason, you'll need to click on Retract Bid. It's crucial to be aware of eBay's time limits regarding bid retractions. If the auction ends in less than 12 hours, you're permitted to retract your bid only within 1 hour of making it. However, if there are more than 12 hours remaining before the auction closes, you're at liberty to retract your bid at any point before the auction concludes. Now let's revisit that process just to ensure it's crystal clear. To retract a bid, navigate to the bid retraction page, enter the item number, choose a reason from the options provided, and then hit Retract Bid. Keep those time constraints in mind to avoid any hiccups. Being able to retract a bid is incredibly useful, and knowing how to navigate these critical steps is important to protect your bidding interests. Additionally, try to be careful and double-check any bid before placing it to minimize the need for retraction. That said, mistakes happen, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to handle them efficiently. Remember, if something doesn't feel right, it's better to address it sooner rather than later to ensure a smooth eBay experience.